Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is IRD Act 1999, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. What is insurance? Insurance a contract between two parties. First party is insurer and another party is insured. An insurer is a company selling the insurance and insured the policyholder is the person of entity buying the insurance policy. The amount to be charged from a certain amount of insurance coverage is called the premium. History of IRDA. IRDA Act 1999 was passed as per the major recommendation of the Malhotra Committee Report 1994, which recommendation establishment of as an independent regulatory authority for insurance sector in India. Later, it was incorporated as statutory body in April 2000. The IRDA Act 1999 also allow private player to enter the insurance sector in India beside a maximum foreign equity of percentage 26% in private insurance company having operation in India. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority is an authority, autonomous apex statutory body which are regulate and develop the insurance industry, both life insurance and non-life insurance company in India. It was constituted by the Parliament of India Act called the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999 and duly passed by the Government of India. Was amendment in 2002 to incorporated some in emerging requirement as well as overcome some defenses in entire process. Mission of IRD Act. First one protection, second one ethical, third one promotion. To protect the insurance industry and made rule and regulation. Second one conduction of insurance businesses across India in ethical manner. Next one to promote, regulate and ensure orderly growth of insurance industry and four matters connecting therefore that which. Major objective of IRDA to promote orderly growth of insurance industry in the country, including registration of the insurance company. Second one, to administer the provision of the Insurance Act. Third one, to protect interest of policyholder and investor. And fourth one, to devise control activity needed for smooth functioning of the insurance company, including the investment of funds. And next one, to adject on the dispute. IRDA regulatory framework. First one insurance company, second one agent, third one insurance advisory committee, fourth one insurance emissions, fifth one traffic advisory committee, next one insurance association and insurance council, insurance broker, survey and loss association person, and next one third party administrator. IRDA regulatory framework. Function of IRDA as defined by the IRD Act 1999 are performed following border function. First one, ensure orderly growth of insurance industry. Second one, protect interest of policyholder. Third one, issue consumer protection guidelines of insurance companies. Fourth one, grant, modify and suspended in license for insurance company. Next one, lay down on the proceeding from accounting policy to the adopting by the insurance company. Next one, inspect and audit of insurance company and another relative agencies. Reinsurance limited monitoring. Next one function, screening of accounting standard and transparency requirement in report. Ensuring the health of industrial by the protecting skewness through the appropriate actions. Next one, publish information about the industry. Prescribe qualification and training need of agent. Next one, monitor the charge from various services by insurance company. And last one, monitor investment. Thank you.